In this quick ArchiFrame how-to video, we will go through how to accurately include machinings when creating a double beam. So first, we have a single top fork back from this element option. Let's make it double over the door and window combination. Drag a copy, and then adjust in the element drawing. The machining list shows just a single groove, as we want to get good CNC output. And in the cut list, we have the same information. When we delete the duplicate, the linked cuts from the existing beam will be applied again. We get the smaller grooves back automatically as well.